This highly maintained and cared for townhouse on Fairway dining room is a must-see. From the moment you walk in you feel at home. The large exceptional master suite has its own bathroom and a very nice sized walk-in closet. The current owners relocated the laundry facilities to the closet for quick and easy access. The beautifully decorated living area has a cozy stone fireplace with a wood mantel that has been completely updated within the last few months, and there are new and unique light fixtures throughout. Nice dining area and a custom kitchen with eating bar that comes complete with all appliances, and a new pantry with a rolling door that was just completed. This townhouse has a lot of natural lighting with big windows and an open floor plan to catch your eye. There are 2 very nice sized bonus rooms in the finished basement for your guests to enjoy. The finished basement also includes a large family room and a beautiful bathroom complete with a large walk-in shower. The courtyard as you walk in will be a very inviting touch for your guests, and you can spend those long summer nights enjoying the view from your private back patio. 2-car attached garage, and the HVAC system was completely updated in 2018. This property would be perfect for an empty nester who is downsizing or for a professional individual or couple. The HOA provides the lawn service and snow removal.